Hello and welcome to Economics 301 Online. My name is Byron Brown and I'm the author of the course you're enrolled to take this summer 2012. I want to just have a brief rundown for you, or I want to give you a brief rundown on the materials that you need to buy, mention some of the materials that you'll get at no additional cost, and a little bit about the examining and grading system in the course. For the course materials that you need to buy, the first and by far the most expensive is a copy of the Perloff textbook Microeconomics 6th edition, which you can see in my hand here. I can't hold it up too long, just weighs too much in order to be able to do that. There's also a product called MyEconLab, which is a supplement to the textbook. So if you buy a new copy of the textbook, that's a print paper copy, and you buy it from the publisher, you'll get an access code in the form of a card that you can use to sign up for MyEconLab at no additional cost. On the other hand, if you buy a used copy of the book or you buy a copy of the book from some other source, you really need to check beforehand. Ordinarily, used copies and books from sources other than the publisher don't come with the access code for MyEconLab. Now the MyEconLab access code is worth about $50, so it's not an insignificant portion of the whole. For the Perloff text, a new hard copy costs about $200, so about a fourth of that cost if you bought new would go toward purchasing MyEconLab. You may already have on your computer, whether PC or Mac, a reasonably current version of Excel. If you're running a Mac, you need the most current version of Excel, which is part of Microsoft Office 2011 for the Mac. All the other materials are in Angel. These online course materials are of several kinds. First, there's PowerPoint readings and some math videos. The PowerPoint readings are an alternative to the text, but they don't take as much time to read as the text. They hit the high points and make sure you get the basics of the analysis, and we recommend looking at those PowerPoint readings as one of the first things to do. Also under the readings, although they aren't really readings, is a set of math videos that we've created for you to bring you up to speed with some of the math applications in the course. There's a basic calculus prerequisite for this course, and we find that most of the basic calculus courses don't cover enough calculus to be useful across all of the applications in intermediate microeconomic theory. And so we have these math videos that we developed to kind of put an economic slant on the math and also help bring you up to speed. The problems in microeconomics, those are the Excel-based problem sets, and you need Excel that was mentioned in the previous part of the video. Problems in microeconomics are embedded in the Angel course management system, and there's certainly no extra charge for those. We have practice quizzes and tests similar to what you'll see on the proctored exams in the course, so you can go through and practice and see professionally formulated answers to some of the questions we've asked. There are also online discussion forums, and you'll be able to use those to collaborate with your fellow students in the class on how to do the problems. We'd appreciate it if you'd give us some feedback on the math videos once you get into them. Maybe halfway through the course we'll send around a brief survey so you'll have a vehicle to provide us with some feedback on those videos. Those are new. They're sort of in the spirit of Khan Academy math videos. If you know what Khan Academy is and have encountered them in another course or back when you were in high school, they're sort of on the borderline of amateurish, but we think they get the point across, and they are econ friendly. Your grade in the course is going to be based on how you do on the Excel-based problem sets. They're required to be handed in with all the answers correct. The MyEconLab quizzes that you'll be scheduled to take throughout the course. And then there will be in-class, by which I mean face-to-face proctored exams. The majority of your grade will be based on the in-class, that is face-to-face proctored exams. One of the things you want to be sure to do is read the online syllabus in the course that can be found in Angel when you go to the course. The course is going to be available for you to look at about a week before it actually starts, so you can get a running start on signing up for things like MyEconLab. All the directions for doing these things are found under the Lessons tab in Angel. We certainly wish you well in taking this course. It is in the summer, and it's an intensive course, and it'll really keep you hopping with all the assignments that we've formulated for you. But literally hundreds of students have had good success in taking this course, which is popular, indeed required, for economics majors on the way to completing their degrees. We wish you luck in the course. Give us feedback on how things are going as you work your way through it.